In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to use Chat GPT in a professional way for you to be able to use it to generate content, articles for your website. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do that. But before I get started, if you are new to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Anytime I release a new video, you can be able to get a notification for that. So most of you know what Chat GPT is, right? So you can use Chat GPT to generate content or a write-up or even a book. So you can use Chat GPT to do a whole lot of things. So but there is this strategy that you can be able to use it to generate good content for your blog. So you can use this strategy to generate good content for your blog. So if you look at this interface now, you can use this one like this. You can use it like this to generate content for your blog. Like I said, you can use it like this to generate content for your blog, but it won't be in a professional way and it will not be optimized for you. So it's just going to list down all the articles for you. But with this strategy that I'm going to show you, this is going to write a blog article for you. So first, you just need to get your keyword. So if you don't know if you have a keyword, fine, then you just need to skip this step. But if you don't have any keywords to use, so the thing you need to do is you need to come to keyword sheeter. So you need to come to this keyword sheeter. So you need to come to this keyword sheeter. You can see the URL here, so keywordsheeter.com. So once you are in this page, so you just need to type in your keyword. Just type in any keyword that you want to write a blog article for. Then this platform is going to generate a whole lot of related keyword about that particular keyword that you just put in this platform. So like for instance, now you want to write an article on this keyword. Okay, let me say for example, now I want to write a article about this keyword. So let me just remove this. So okay, how or best app for photo editing. So now just need to type in some keyword. So once you have typed in your keyword, then just click on this button here. Then so this platform is going to generate a whole lot of related keyword about the first keyword that you just input. So you just need to check the one that suits your article, so the one that you wanted to use. Then you can do some keyword research. I'm not going to be doing a keyword research in this video, so you can check out my next video for that. So just need to get those keywords. Like let me just stop this now and there. Okay, let me just use best photo editing for app nature. Okay, let me just use best app for photo editing on Android. So let me just use this keyword here, this particular keyword. So then you copy it. So now we come to our Chat GPT. So we are not going to be using this stuff like this. So I'm going to be dropping a link in the description, so where you can be able to get this extension. So you just need to come through the link and then you download this extension to your Google Chrome. So you download this extension to your Google Chrome so that you can be able to grant Chat GPT access to this extension. So you just need to click on add to Chrome, then you add extension. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully added the extension to Chrome. So the next thing you need to do is we need to pin this extension. So you need to come to this place and then you pin the extension. So look at it here now. You pin it, then we come to our Chat GPT. So this is our Chat GPT. Then we just need to refresh this. So let's refresh this. Okay, so you just need to cancel. So if you look at this interface here now, you can see there is a lot of changes here. So you can see there are options for you to use to generate content for your blog. So you can just choose any of these, but I normally go for this human written 100% unique SEO optimized article. So you just need to come this option here. So this optimized article, then you click on it. So there are a lot of options here. So there are a lot of options that you can go for, but I normally use this one. So after that, you can see that we have already pinned the one that's wanted to use. So you can see human written 100% unique SEO optimized article, right? So now in this place, now you can see enter keyword or title here. So we just need to input that our keyword that we generated is keyword sheeter. So we just need to paste it here, then we click on enter button. So as you can see, this platform has been generating. So the article is now generating. So you just need to wait for it to complete. Okay, so I think it's done here, but if you want to continue generating the article, you just need to click on continue generating. So then this will now also continue to generate the article for you. Okay, so I just stopped the generate article, so you can be able to use this one. So once you have already generated your article, so the next step we need to do is we need to check the plagiarism. So how to make sure that there is not a copyright content. So we need to go to smallseo-tools.com. So you can go to smallseo-tools.com, or you can use duplicate checker. So let me just put duplicate checker on my search box. So you can use this browser, this website here to check the plagiarism of your generated article. So for you to do that, you just need to come to this place that we generated our article, then to copy all this content here. So let me just copy this. I'm going to copy this. Then we paste it here. So I'm going to paste it here. So you can just ignore this table of contents. Then we just need to focus on the main article. So I'm not going to be copying all the article, but in your own case, this is just a tutorial to guide you how you can be able to generate an article. So I'm just going to be showing you the steps. Then in your own case, you just need to copy everything and paste it on your duplicate checker tools. So this is it here now. So let me just use this one as an example. You can see the maximum limit of a word is 1000 words. So my word is still 768. So I have more space. So let me add some. Let me add this and this also. Then you copy and paste it. Okay, so I just need to remove some words here because I have passed the limit. Okay. Okay, so now after that, you just need to click on this I'm not a robot, then you click on check plagiarism. Okay, so now once you have clicked it, so you just need to wait for this process to complete. So you just need to give it a little bit of time so that it can be able to check where you copy the content, or if this content is a copyright content or not. So just give it some time. Okay, so this tools is done checking. So if you come to this now, you can see that the plagiarism here is 4%, while the uniqueness is 96%. So we need to make this to be 100% unique, and for you to do that, you just need to come to this place and they are going to show you which words that or sentence that is causing this. So you can see that is this place sharing your editing photo with the word, and check for again. Okay, so let's look for again. Then we need to scroll down, so you can see I'm not a professional photographer, so this is it. So you can see the website that they are referring you to as the people that have already published an article, this particular sentence. So you can see this one is 4% and this one is 2%. So the thing we need to do here is we need to copy this word. So you need to copy this word here now. Then we copy this and we go to our Chat GPT. So come to our Chat GPT and we rewrite this sentence again. So we write it. Okay. So now you can say rewrite this, then you paste it. Okay, so we just need to copy this one and replace it with the first one. So you just need to come to your Chat GPT, or you can already publish it on your blog, just paste it on your blog. Then let's look for the first one. So you click Ctrl F and you paste it. So this is it here now. So this is it here. So you just need to replace it with this one. So you replace it with this one and you look for the second one. So you look for this one and you also do the same step and replace it with it. So once you are done, you are now free to copy this content and paste it on your blog and publish it. So once you publish it, your content will not be flagged as a copyrighted content. So this your content is unique content. So if you find this video useful, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notification, so that anytime I release a new video, you can be able to get a notification for that. So see you in my next video.